Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a secret site where you can make $250 every day, guys. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. So guys, we're in a world whereby everyone wants to make cool cash from the comfort of their home and with their mobile phone. So guys, in this video I'll be walking you through how you can make $250 from these secret sites. So guys, the name of the site where you can start earning daily is owodaily.com, guys. So Owodaily is a platform whereby they pay you for performing tasks every day. So it's a micro job website whereby you come to the website and then you do 1 or 2 tasks and then they pay you through commission. Members earn daily completing micro jobs, affiliates and cashback offers. So guys, what we are just going to do is to see how this website works and how you can start making cool cash from this website every day. So what we are going to do is to click on become a member, and then we are going to fill our details, email address, and then put in a username, and then click on next. And then I'm going to put in my phone number, and then I'm going to hit next. And after that, I'm going to fill my password. I'm just going to generate password. And then I'm going to click on next. So after that, I'm going to click on agree. I agree, and then I am not a robot. Great. And then I'm going to click on submit and complete application. And after that, a code has been sent to my email address. All I need to do is to go to my mailbox. So here's the mail sent to my email address. Please verify your email to complete the sign up and access your account. So I'll just click on verify email. And after that, I'm asked to log in with the details which I provided. So these are my details, and then I'll click on I am not a robot. And after that, I'm going to hit the login. So guys, we've successfully registered on this website, owodaily.com. So all we need to do is to pick a package, a subscription plan. The more your subscription plan, the more you have the ability to be able to earn on this website. So I found out this website some days ago, and I have an account which I've been able to earn more than $350 within 3 days. Guys, if you're having doubts on website where you can earn money from, this website shouldn't be a website you should doubt. They've been in existence since I think 2020. So let's go to their homepage to see how long they've been in this online space, because we all know that most of this website whereby you can perform income daily tasks do not really last. So I'm just going to scroll down to show you what I'm saying. So guys, this website has been rewarding members since 2020, and they have over 29,000 member affiliates, influencer, and over 2.4 million micro jobs, guys. So there's no limit to the kind of tasks you can do. You can do tasks throughout the whole day and make cool cash for yourself. As long as you have an internet connection on your smartphone, you can make cool cash on this website. So let's log into our account. I'm going to click on login, and I'm going to fill in my login details, and then I'm going to click on I am not a robot. And after that, I'm going to hit the login button, and we're back to our dashboard. So the next thing you're going to do is to select a subscription plan. So for instance, let's say we are on Owodaily subscription plan, which is 15,000 naira yearly, and the membership plan is just 5,000 naira every year. Guys, you're not paying this thing every month, you're paying it every year. Imagine you're paying 5,000 naira to make 250,000 naira every month, guys. this is huge. So I feel this is a platform you should look out for and invest in. So if I'm going to scroll down, all you need to do is to select a payment gateway you want to use to make payment, and after that you select your country and then you activate membership, guys. So it's so easy to start on this website. So guys, the cool thing about this website is that you can also post jobs. For instance, you want to advertise the products and then you want people to, okay, let's say you have a YouTube channel and then you want people to go ahead and then watch their videos. You can do this on Ovo Daily and make cool cash for yourself. So guys, the second website I'm going to reveal to you guys where you can make as low as $250 every day is Sprout Gig. So let's head up to Sprout Gig and see how Sprout Gig work. Just going to click on this. I'm just going to write this on my search, Sprout Gig, and then I'm going to hit this, and then I'm going to visit the website, hire freelancers to help with small gigs, guys. So on this website you can make cool cash by selling your skills. For instance, you know how to drive visitors to Facebook page, or you know how to get a Facebook page up to 10,000 likes, up to 10,000 followers, or you know how to grow an Instagram account, a TikTok account, and so on. You make money by providing services. So we have a lot of gigs on this website, like digital marketing, we have digital writing, we have graphic design, we have presentation, we have photo and videos, we have mobile apps, we have web development, and then we also have SEO. And then all gigs, set up a gig on this website so that you can make money from that gig. And what do I mean by a gig? A gig is the service you are providing. So you can provide a lot of services and make cool cash for yourself, guys. So when I click on explore gigs, so on explore gigs we have a lot of people providing services. This one says I will make and Google Ads revenue ready to apply. This other person says I will write 30 articles of 1.5 words. Another one says I will make 600 plus high quality backlinks for your website. So we have a lot of people providing services on this platform. So all you need to do is to go ahead and then sign up on this website. So we're going to fill in our basic details on this website. I'm going to put in my password. I'm going to select a nickname. So I will either choose I want to be a worker or I am an employer. So for now I want to provide service, so I am a worker. Then click on I agree to Sprout Gig terms and condition, and then send me news, events and offers via periodic email. So if you have an account already, you don't need to follow all these plenty steps I'm taking you through. Just go ahead and then log into your account. So unfortunately we are not accepting sign up through VPN connection at this time. So guys, on Sprout Gig, in case you are getting that error just like me, that shows that you're using an MTN network, and we all know that MTN network IP address is not stable. So it's advisable you use other network like Glo, Airtel, Etisalat and so on to access this website, or use a reliable VPN with a stable IP address like Windscribe, which is free to access a website like this. So guys, these are the two top websites I'm going to recommend to you where you can make nothing less than $250 every day. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give me a thumb up, smash the subscribe button and like this video for more content like this. I post videos related to tech, how to make money online and ways to improve your skills as a subscriber. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to be among those who will be notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video, guys.